one down here. We put a memory foam. Oh, and driving, you know, being on the road. What?
This is kind of like my bed, only I can actually find it.
You're lost then.
ปูหน่อกระเทียมเลยน้ำปูจะพวกมันใช้เปิดใส่จะไม่ใส่กะปิปูเป็นคือเอาเยี่ยมตาลปี๊บ
Got some sesame on the outside.
มีข้าวน้ำมะขามเปียกคือเป็นห่อไม่ใช่ใช่ไหมปูหน่อ
Background noise.
แล้วก็มะขามเปียกใส่เทศต่อ
The sesame flavor.
There was never light bulb to begin with, but this is the size we need.
Hi guys, what you guys doing?
Figuring out light.
Figuring out light?
There's like random bulbs that are burnt out and it bugs me.
Yeah, so we're getting light bulbs fixed. We're getting that here. Just took these off. Gotta put in new light bulbs. Gotta put in new hose. Random hose here on the ground. Not random. Owen's fixing something. Changing hose.
What do you mean? How do you open it? You use the button.
Happy New Year!
I mean, just
Oh, that's New Year.
Hi, Belle.
Hi, I'm trying to figure out how to
Hi, girl. What are you doing?
Yeah, how did you open this window?
What?
Ooh.
Yeah, the lights in the back,
Uh-huh.
they work fine. It was just this thing that's all colored and ugly.
Oh,
That made them so dim.
yeah.
I thought the little element was bad.
Yeah, but it's not. It's just that
Yeah.
that made it so dim.
Yeah, and then I just...
Well, we don't want it dim. We like bright lights so we can see.
Right.
I like how this one has a side door here. It's nice.
And when you go, I like these ones because when you're going down the road, you can put them like that for just, you know, a little circulation.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could put them like that and really get the air sucking in because when you're driving down the road,
Yep, it goes in that way.
and then Bella has her own up there in the bullpen.
Uh-huh.
I do.
Uh-huh. You should bring out the pink mats and see if it fits in there, Balboo.
Yeah, Bella, you want to take that mattress out of there? The one I
Pull
took
out the,
there?
yep, pull out the mattress.
Just throw it out.
Throw it out this way. Just take it and
Remember how to open this.
push it out this way.
I don't want to get red lights.
I need help.
Red ones.
Yeah, we'll get red ones. Do you need help? You can figure it out. I'm gonna let you figure that out. That's your job for today. Okay?
No, I'm
There's
trying
ins-
to figure it out.
there's
I just have to
instructions.
learn it.
Well, keep trying. Use your muscle.
I think this song was more cowbell. He's been playing for 5 minutes. That guy's arm's probably tired. I like the cowbell and stuff, but holy. His arm must be like this big, just
You getting it, baby?
No.
What's going on, baby?
I'm trying to turn this and now my fingers are hurting.
You have to turn it?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it and pull it.
So squeeze it? Like, what do you do?
Turn it like a key. Turn it to the
Turn
right.
like a key?
Mm-hmm.
Turn it all the way? And pull?
Turn it harder.
Let's see, what is it? What's this? Wow. Well, maybe you get out the way and you can do it, huh?
Okay. This is what I was talking about when I was sleeping. I ended up sleeping like this
Yeah.
at an angle, and then I woke up and I went thump.
Oh, that's not smart, huh? Very
This
smart,
kind of
huh?
sounds like my bed
Bella,
now.
can you see if both of those lights work?
This one?
There's 2 of them there, so yes.
Did I do a tour video yet? I didn't, have I?
No.
Oh, we'll do that after.
And they both work.
We'll do you a tour video so you can
Go
see.
up there, grab
But
those
we're gonna
mattresses and throw 'em out.
get rid of this
Hey,
mattress.
Mom. Get up. Okay, I do not feel
Come
safe.
here. I don't know why you need to be up there. You just have to pull this and take it out. This part. Why don't you get out? These old mattresses right here. we're gonna get rid of this because there's two small mattresses. See that? We're gonna switch it out. We put a new one down here. We put a memory foam. We wanna make sure we're comfortable when we're sleeping, especially with Owen driving, you know, being on the road.
Mom.
What?
You know how my bed is? This is kind of like my bed, only I can actually kind of sit.
Your loft?
Yeah.
So let me grab
The
this up.
mattress off the bunk bed.
This is a mattress off of Bella's old bunk bed.
Oh, a little bit of gap.
Wow, it's really hot in the sun.
How's those mattresses coming? Go fight.
Fine with a dog. What pup? Hey, she's testing it out. Doing it dirty at the same time.
Yeah, so these are the old mattress. Look how tiny they are. And they just stack on top of each other until you're sleeping, then you put it side by side.
If they were clean,
Just
then I
like
would
that.
play with them.
No, they're dirty. Okay, Bella, go get the pink mat and see if it fits up there.
It looks about the same size. It's about the same size.
Get in your seat. Oh, get in the other seat. Get in your seat. Get up there. Hey, get up here.
She's struggling today. Did she hurt herself?
No, somebody hurt her.
Somebody hurt her? What happened?
She's being naughty. She got spanked.
You think I've actually done well?
We're just grilling some bacons right now. Gotta go check for some chicken, huh? Should I take some out now or not yet?
Whatever.
Whenever.
Grill all night.
This is our setup. We're grilling all night.
So when you're doing that, what do you do about the music in the background?
I listen to it. We gotta go look for some chicken. I feel like they're eating something over
เอ้ย
here.
ไม่เชียว
มันขมป่ะ
ไม่เชียวผมแล้วมัน
แซ่บ
จะ
แซ่บ
ปลา
ไอ้
ไป
โป
ดู
แต่ว่าตรง
เฮี
นี้
ย
ก็ได้มันมีกะปิ
เชี่ยว
กะปิไหนหรอ
Oh, but okay, hit my.
โอเค
เชียว
สิกินบอกแม่เด้อ
Yeah,
ดังไฟแล้ว
Yeah, don't fight. How can I cook bacon?
โอเค
How's my
อ้า
buddy
ว
seeing?
ไม่เอาบอก
What mom have right here? What is this? We're making some lap because
บอกเขาไปซื้อ
Marky is here. My little brother's visiting. น้องมายามเห็นเลยอยากกินลาบจุนไว้เสาไก่ออกไปปิ้งนี่
เอ้ยก็บอกเรื่องน้องเขาเรื่องบักกี้ยังไงนะ
ไป here
เอาเรื่องเขาเลย
แกง
โอ้คอยอยาก
ปีใส่
เรา
เรา
ตุ่
ตุ่
ม
มมันดีนะแบบว่า
Let me try to get it out
คือตลาดใส่น้
I've never had this
ำปลา
they just
แม่มันเป็น
brought
เก่ง
this
แต่ว่า
here
พอมันเห็น
น้ำปู
Mm.
น้ำกระเทียมด
น
อ
อง นนอนนอก
ระ
น
เทียมดอง
เดี๋ยว
กะปิน้ำปลาน้ำปูน้ำกระเทียมดอง
น้ำปูจะคล้องบริษัทได้
บริใส่บ้านนี่โอ้
ต่อ
ได้ได้กับ
กะปิ
เพื่อนนายจะคล้องจิบใส่จิบใส่กะปิ
It's
ที่ให้ปูกินน้ำ
squishy
แล้วก็อมสูตรใหม่
it's squishy
ปลา
น้ำปลา
want to get you
ปลาแดกเขาเนี่ย
ตา
เอาอ่ะ
น้ำตาลกระเทียม
น้ำตาลปี๊ดกระเทียมดอง
อืม
พ่อ
อืม
แล้วก็ใบกระถิน
เออ
got some sesame on the
ห
outside
รือแนมเพิ่นมีใบกระถินนี่
อื
เนาะ
ม
มะ
แม่
ขาม
มันเสร็จหรือไฟ
I don't know what's in here
แล้วคนทั่วมะขาม
this looks so black
มะขาม
มะขามน้ำมะขาม
ขาม
น้ำมะขามใส่โหลด
That's my first time. I don't know what this is.
บ่ได้น้ำนะมะขาม
Interesting.
แต่ว่าข้างนอกมีน้ำมะขามอะไรข้างมะขามเปียกสูเป็นห่อเอามาใส่ให้ง่าย
น้ำมะขามมัน
ก็ได้เข้าตอง
Mochi. Huh?
ตัวของตองสองเทือก
เนี่ยคอยเล่า
Not bad.
ยูทูบ
That's pretty good.
น้ำมะขามมันเอาผงกัน
แล้วคอยเป็นคนเห็นเธอก็ต้องรู้ว่า
Background noise.
ตัวของมะขามเปียกใส่
Oh, yum.
ไม่เสียว
มะขามก่อนเนี่ยนะ
ไม่เสียว
Look
มะขาม
good.
ไฟเสียต่อ
It's
ไป
a sesame
ไฟ
flavor.
เสียต่อไป
Are these baking good?
Oh, they're alright.
They're
Not
okay.
what I suspected it.
Yeah. Let's go. Got some cow out here. Hi, girl.
I dropped a piece of bacon, so she's on alert now.
Oh, did she get the bacon?
Yeah, I dropped a piece, and I'm like, well, I'll eat. Chill out, too
I
warm.
want to wash that table. I was getting all the charcoals and everything on this table.
Hey, it took me a long time to get all that dirty.
sit yeah good teach me
She's like, where's my food? I kiss you.
sit down oh
She always listens
Ah.
really good.
good ไม่ดีวะมันมีอาหารด้วยแมวอ่ะ
Make sure you wash your face before you kiss your wife. No? Okay.
Come on baby เอามาดีมันดีของไปนั่งเลยครับ
Ooh,
Come here.
yum.
เอาดิ
Look at those colors.
get far
American street food.
have you seen
Ooh, here's the
come on sit yeah
chef. Hey, when they grill, do we still call him chef? Or what do we call him? Griller? I don't know.
นี่นี่จูบปากกูอ่ะ
Ooh, look at this. Oh, she looks so good. Yummy.
Hey, Olive, come here.